आप इधर आइए जरा, इधर आइए
ऊपर मिलोट आइए, नंबर 11099 में भी सी मिलोट, पेज नंबर 8 11099।
यस,
इसमें पेज नंबर 8, ये लेटेस्ट, ये मास्टर प्लान का चल रहा है, पेज नंबर 8, 9।
ये देखिए आप पेज नंबर 8 एंड 9, इसमें सीरियल नंबर 36 खोलिए इनको, स्टेट, ये इसमें कंप्यूटर में खोल दीजिए सीरियल नंबर 36।
कलर पेज है वो नीचे
36 खुल गया आपका? इसमें देखिए पेज नंबर 8 एंड 9, दे आर सेइंग दैट दिस इज द मास्टर प्लान। ये कह रहे हैं कि आपका मास्टर प्लान है, और ये जो मास्टर प्लान में आप खसरा नंबर देख रहे हैं, देखिए 16, 17, 18, पेज नंबर 18 में यहाँ पे रोड मुड़ा हुआ है ना। और ये आगे देखिए जो पेज नंबर 9 है, जो थोड़ा सा बड़ा है इसके बाद वाला, इसमें भी ये यहाँ पे 18 पे रोड मुड़ा हुआ आ रहा है, और आपने इनका कैंसिल कर दिया कि जो आपका जो प्लान है कॉलोनी का, उसमें ये रोड जो है उसका स्ट्रेट दिखाइए।
सर मास्टर प्लान में रोड जो है वो टिल्टेड है सर, 2021 मास्टर प्लान में, जो कि अभी प्रभावशील है सर। उसमें दिस रोड इज tilted as shown in the map, because this map is the land use map which is जो जिसको सर हमने enlarge किया हुआ है खसरों पर। तो सेम जो मास्टर प्लान में रोड है सर वो यहीं पे शो हुई है,
सेम यही रोड शो हो रहा है,
टिल्टेड शो हो रहा है सर। और हमने जो रिवोक किया था और हमने जो परमिशन भी हम देते हैं सर 2021 मास्टर प्लान जो है उसके आधार पे देते।
मास्टर प्लान 2021,
and in that master plan the road is shown as same as this annexures.
yes, but
no they come Melot McCaldy come to page number 16 of this IE.
yes,
the last Melot, which is map. This summation may be taken on record, Melot, what he says.
16
Melot.
yes,
इसका मैप देखना पड़ेगा. This 30 feet road is coming, Melot. A bigger map would be needed.
yes,
Melot may have a physical copy, Melot. You have marked that.
yes, I can enlarge it.
30 feet road is coming, Melot, from end of the map, Melot. Melot, may kindly see this one, Melot. 30
yes,
feet height. This has to go straight, Melot, as per the master plan. अब इनने इसको Z बना दिया. This is not there, Melot. Now this would be that. This is what they are trying to have, Melot. अगर ये स्ट्रेट रोड है, अगर टिल्ट भी मानेंगे तो टिल्ट वुड नॉट कम टू अ Z. तो 30 फुट की आती है और फिर वो पतली हो जाती है. हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल, Melot? There is no such tilt. Now what they are proposing and what they have done is this, Melot. वो 30 फुट की बहुत पहले से आई और आगे जाके भी उसी अलाइनमेंट में आ जाती है. बीच में ये Z क्यों बना रहे हैं? और जबकि इनने खुद ने इनके प्लान में जब पहली बार जब ये रिस्पोंडेंट से प्लान सबमिट किया था, इनने खुद बोला था कि आपने गलत रोड दिखाई है, आप इसको ठीक दिखाइए और अलाइनमेंट ठीक करिए.
yes, ये पेज देखा आपने?
Sir, this is the survey we had conducted, sir. This is the survey of the existing structures on the sites. This doesn't show the proposed alignment of the master plan. This only shows the existing roads which are on the site and the existing boundaries of both the Hasra 18 and 17. Sir. This is not the proposed master plan road showing the proposed alignment. That the alignment which shows the document which shows the alignment of the master plan, we have.
So that is correct. That is correct. जो आपने पहले पेज नंबर 8 और 9 देखा था.
जी हाँ सर, वो जो है लैंड यूज प्लान.
So road has to be according to that map only.
Yes sir, जो एडिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट टाइप किया हुआ है.
अब ये एग्जिस्टिंग वो 30 फीट की रोड आके उस कॉलोनी पे खत्म हो रही है, वो कैसे हो सकता है? लॉजिकली इट हैज टू गो स्ट्रेट, मिलोट्स. टिल्ट भी होगा तो 30 फीट का टिल्ट होगा ना. टिल्ट 20 फीट का 15 फीट का नहीं हो जाएगा. And it is on 18, Milord. If Milords may see that map, Milord, the tilt is on Khasra number 18. The controversy is on 17. 17 there is no tilt. 17 it goes straight on Khasra number 17, 18 it turns around, my lord. So 17 में तो स्ट्रेट ही जानी है. अब ये स्ट्रेट जाके खत्म कर देते हैं इनकी कॉलोनी में, फिर एक साइड रोड निकाल के बोलते हैं अब इसमें जो साइड रोड है उसको आप 30 मीटर पर डालो. This is not possible. It is contrary to the master plan, my lord. As the master plan exists, my lord, as P8, P9, page number 8 or page number 9, and this map. This is their survey. It's not my survey. It is their survey. यहाँ उतनी चौड़ी रोड आई और वो खत्म हो गई. कहीं पे भी इनके मास्टर प्लान में खसरा नंबर 17 में रोड टर्न नहीं हो रही, ट्विस्ट नहीं हो रही है, किसी तरीके से डाइवर्ट नहीं हो रही है. It goes in 18 only, my lord. So I wanted an affidavit from them, my lord. If this is correct, then this road has to go straight. ये मेडिकल कॉलेज से स्ट्रेट आ रही है रोड.
You file your affidavit regarding the position कि कहाँ पे टिल्ट हो रही है, कहाँ पे नहीं है, क्या है, रोड इज टू बी स्ट्रेट और टू बी टिल्टेड, और आपने अगर इसको चेंज किया है तो कहाँ पे चेंज किया है.
Sir, I would like to put before you, sir. In 2002, we got the direction from the directorate to tell the this road and connect it to the approved colony, which is the Bhutam colony. So there is 130 meters road, and this road is also there. So we got the direction from directorate to connect this road, and thus this road was tilted from 17, number 17. So we'll submit
In 2002,
They don't have authority, my lord.
2002.
They don't have an authority to do that also. If this is existing, my lord, master plan.
So how
They
you
don't have
can
any-
change master plan?
Sir, subsequently, sir, when we give the permission, we adopt it in the master plan. When we review the master plan, we subsequently adopt those changes or the directions which we get from the directorate or government. We take those records and we include those proposals in our review of the master plan, which we had done in 2009 when we published the master plan 2020.
My lord,
And
you may say,
based on
what
that-
they are saying, my lord, is incorrect in teeth of the fact that this is the recent maps that we have, my lord, we have taken out and downloaded from their site only, my lord. The maps don't show, my lord, any divergence, any tilt, any twist, my lord. If any authority subordinate to the state government has done it, they don't have an authority to do so, my lord. And why, if that was done, it is not reflected till 2024, my lord. Even if the map of, as on date is opened up, my lord, the same map which was there since 2000 is coming up till date, my lord. There is no divergence, my lord. If some internal order has been passed, that is non-externalized of law because they don't have an authority, my lord. The master plan has to be reviewed by the state government, and the master plan would prevail till it is not diverted or anything is not done by the state government. They may file an affidavit, my lord. That will clarify the situation. Because 17 there is no tilt. Still there is no tilt, my lord.
So,
And this was, my lord, earlier I read down those documents, my lord, from the TNCP only, where for this colony they said, you have tilted the road, you make the road straight on, only then we will come up with a sanction, my lord. And suddenly they took a somersault, my lord, and their map was sanctioned. It was an illegal colony.
No, it was
And it's only two structures which are coming in the way. I've filed the photographs also, my lord. So they may file a detailed affidavit to the effect, my lord, whether in Khasara number 17, there is any diversion, tilt, my lord, passed by the state government or recommended or approved by the state government as per the Town and Country Planning Act, my lord. If not, my lord, then the road has to go as per the master plan, my lord. And there are only two structures which are coming in way, my lord. Rest, the entire road is straight and it is open. I've shown the photograph.
Respondent number 1 and 2 is directed to file an affidavit clarifying the alignment of road on Khasra number 17 and 18. Full stop. Respondent number 2 shall verify whether there was any order from state government for diverting the road at Khasra number 17 or not. If there is no order from state government, then how road was diverted by Town and Country Planning? Why and how it was diverted? List after vacations.
Some fixed dates may be given. Anything.